Hi, this is Sherilyn Hoffman, your Southwest real estate agent with eXp Realty, and today I'm in Babcock Ranch at an empty home tour. So this home is about to close. It's practically finished, and this is called the Cardinal by Meritage. And so come on in and let's check it out. And as always, remember to be able to subscribe and hit that like button so you can get more notifications on up-to-date new releases. So that was the beautiful home of the Cardinal by Meritage. Meritage is continuing to build in a new development called Crescent Grove. Lake Babcock is finishing out, but be sure to reach out to me to see what new floor plans they have for Crescent Grove coming this summer. And the model homes will be done in the end of March. So remember to subscribe, like, and comment below so you can get up-to-date notifications. And thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.